question, then you said it. Always saying things you're regretting. Can't erase the steps we've taken. Can't go back to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again?
So for breakfast, I have eggs with cinnamon and a little bit of maple syrup, and then half an English muffin with peanut butter, and it's gonna be a nice sweet breakfast this morning. Okay, so for anybody that has a dog, I got this little penguin thing off Amazon. It was only like $13, and it kind of goes in here. So I like to do a mixture of pumpkin. Pumpkin is really good for your dog's digestive system, but don't give them too much of it. Pumpkin, and then also I like to do Greek yogurt. Again, like same with our digestive system, it's good for theirs with the probiotics in it, but I do make sure it's plain. So I put a little mixture of pumpkin and plain Greek yogurt in here, and he really likes it. And then I freeze it. If you give it to him like this, it's not going to take him that long to get through it, but I then freeze it and then give it to him later. This looks really gross. And then give it to him later, and then he keeps him busy for a bit and works his brain a bit. He's got some snowy eyebrows. Is that fun, bud? He loves the snow. Okay, I'm not sure if you saw my last video, but I said it was a goal of mine to have a smoothie every single day. So I accidentally bought this chocolate oat milk, so I'm gonna use it up, but it is higher in sugar and calories than regular oat milk. You could also just use water, that's what I usually use. And then I'm gonna put in a couple blueberries. I like the frozen ones because they add that nice like creaminess. And then I got this whey protein powder off of Amazon, but I know they sell it at Walmart. So I'm just gonna use like 3/4 of a scoop. I usually don't use a whole one. And then I'm gonna add in some spinach because it's my favorite way to get in some extra vegetables without actually having to eat them. And I'm gonna blend it up, and it's so refreshing. I love it. I love when I get the perfect consistency in a smoothie. I like when it's like thicker. Ugh. Derek brought me home these flowers. I think my mom said they're carnations. I'm not really too up on my flowers, but they're so pretty and they smell really good. And I hope everybody had a really good Valentine's Day. I think Valentine's Day is so sweet, and you don't have to celebrate it with like a partner, but just to be celebrating like love, I think is really nice, and like your relationships with everybody. And I thought these were really pretty. because I didn't want it to go bad. So I found this recipe and they look really good. I eat a sweet treat either after lunch or after dinner, so I like having these things handy because I'm gonna eat something sweet no matter what, so I'd rather it be like these healthy cookies. So they're really good, and I'll leave the recipe down below. Okay, so I just did an arm workout and now I'm gonna have lunch. I'm gonna have the rest of this barbecue ranch chopped salad because it was going bad, and then I didn't have any meat ready, so I'm using flakes of chicken in a can. Obviously, like fresh chicken's better, but it's better than nothing, and I have it in a bowl because I love eating salads in a bowl. So this will be my lunch for today. Okay, so I'm gonna go downstairs and watch Firefly Lane in front of the fire because it's nice and cozy, and that show's really good. It's new to Netflix, I think, but I'm also gonna bring Ruger's Greek yogurt and peanut butter, or Greek yogurt and pumpkin snack with me down there so that he can kind of stay entertained for a minute, because I know he would like to be outside all day if he could, but I just want to kind of relax. So I'll give him this.
Enough from going public because the contractors for the shelters aren't happy, and these are not the kind of people that you want to make not happy.
I have a small grocery haul for you today. It's just a quick little filler haul. We were out anyway, so we thought that we would stop and get groceries. So I will show you what we got. So first of all, I got spinach for my smoothies, some bananas. I'm gonna let these get ripe and then put them in the freezer. And then I got these chocolate chip banana muffins for Derek. I'm not sure if he noticed that they said banana, but that's what he got. Some barbecue ranch salad. This is my favorite salad, and it's like nice and small pieces, and I love that. Some more mozzarella cheese. Derek got his regular yogurts. He got this new kind of ice cream he wanted to try, chocolate and brownies. We got a ham because he wanted to make this like ham hash brown dish thing. I don't know, he has a recipe for it, so we'll make that sometime. We got some blueberry bagels for him, 2 cans of corn, milk, some romaine hearts, some bacon bits, and then I wanted to get oat milk for my smoothies, and I had no idea that this was chocolate, so I guess I'll drink this, also probably put in my smoothies, but it's a lot higher in calories and sugar than the normal oat milk, so yeah, I kind of should have given it away by this, but like the chocolate part is hidden by the cap, so they should write chocolate here or something. And this one is the same color, but anyways, my fault. So anyways, I'm gonna try that, and I'm obviously gonna use it, but not what I meant to buy. I also got a box of wine while we were out. I love this boxed wine. Then I got 2 black cherry White Claws because I saw this girl on TikTok mix this with Pink Whitney. There's a name for it, but I can't remember what the drink is called, but I wanted to try it, so I got 2 of those. For dinner tonight, I have honey garlic sausages that I cut up. I don't know why I cut them up, I just felt like it. Then I have potatoes, green peppers, and onions cut up with olive oil, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and chili powder, and I'm just gonna throw these in the oven at 425 for probably like 20 minutes. It smells so good.